Hello, I'm at Bridgemere Garden Centre and their gardens, and I can't resist picking up the leaves. The magnolia leaves that remain crisp and whole for a long time. Convoluted hazel there, still retaining its leaves. Oh, and a little, can't tell what it is. I think it's a goldcrest or a wren. It's a wren goldcrest sort of size bird, but I don't go any closer because it will be going off. Flitting around looking for things to eat. The wind rustling through the trees, just bringing down more leaves. Oh, and the glorious red. Red of those acer leaves. Lots of rhododendrons that will be, along with the magnolias, bursting into flower in the spring. And a gorgeous weeping tree here that, if I can see the label, no, but the shape is gorgeous. I'm just going to move. There we are. I was trying to go into reverse and was very much aware that there were things that I could stumble over and end up on my backside. That wouldn't have been good. But that weeping tree, half a dozen leaves remaining on it. Etched against the clouds and the blue sky. Beautiful. Oh no, the wind's gusting. I'm hoping that if I go round here, I'll be protected. The colours there. People might say, well, they're dead. Yes, but they're still beautiful colours. And the birds are twittering away. And the sound of the waterfall. The pond is now completely covered in pondweed. If you half close your eyes, it looks like a field with stepping stones going across it. And another acer there, one that's gone beautifully golden, making its presence felt. shades of green still, and the various fir trees. These trees have hung on very late because I think they, like us, are confused by the weather. As ever, when I get to this spot, I've automatically gone into dropping my shoulders low and deep breathing. Just to relax. I'll leave you with the fish and the sun just catching the side of it, giving it a silvery glow. Thank you for joining me. Speak to you soon. Bye.